Hey guys, today we have a 2014 Mercedes Benz GLK 350, and this one is the 4Matic. Customer only have one working key fob. As you can see, this one on the left side is the working key fob, and that's locks and unlock, but this one is not programmed. On the right side. All right, let's go ahead and start it. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and test the car keys first. I'm gonna leave the working key there when we come in. This is the one that we need to program. This is a push start as well. As you can see, key not detected, so this is not programmed. I'm gonna leave it there, and then go grab this working key fob, and this one starts the car. So let's go ahead and turn it off. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. So this is push start. Put it in the side. I'm gonna start it with working key fob. All right, turn it off and then put it on position at least. Connected through the OBD is my Auto IM508. I have my XP400 Pro. Let's go to emo. Actually, let's go back. Let's escape. Let me go back. Let me keep going back because I was using this. You want to make sure that you hear the beep. There you go. You hear that beep? So that's what we need. We know we're connected properly. Go accept. Let's go to auto detect from VIN. We can go to the Mercedes Benz tab there and put the year model, but this one will be the car. Sometimes it takes a little while for this. There you go. That's the VIN number. Press OK, and let's go ahead. Let's see. Press yes. Press yes. 2014, because this is 2014. Let's go to emo status scan. We'd always do that every time we're connected to OBD in the car, and as you can see, there's an EIS fault in there somehow, so we gotta delete that first. There you go. Quick erasure. Clearing it. Make sure we're on position. Alright, so you can see that one's clearing that. DTC. Alright, processing. Make sure you're connected to internet with these. Alright, let's go add key guided. On vehicle. Begin. This is EIS. So this is the unprogrammed one, and our program key is still in the ignition. So it's reading success. Please put the ignition key close to the programmer, the original one, and press anything. Press the lock position, insert it to the insert it to XP400 Pro. Press OK. So, communicating. So that's the working key. It's communicating right now. So this is a smart key. Yes, that is a smart key. Okay. And then keep going. And then the blank key, press it close to the programmer, and then press the blank key in here. This is not gonna be a smart key, but something extra. I don't think I have a smart key here. Let's see if I program properly, because I know this one is not a smart key. Is there a key password? No key password. Enter password calculation. Okay. All right, then we're gonna do begin. Press OK. Insert the ignition key to the EIS and wait for 5 seconds. And that one is the original key, the program key. Press OK. It didn't ask to turn on, it just leave it there. There you go. Pull the ignition key out. Press OK. Please insert to the EIS again, which is the program one. Okay. Make sure it can be turned on. Yes, it can. Press OK. Pull the ignition key out and insert into the IR keyhole, which is here. Press OK. So we insert it to the XP400 Pro. And that one's still the program working key. It's a power calculation being performed by 2 people. Let's go yes. So this is gonna take us longer to, so just wait. So you can see it's 3 people in line. So we're gonna come back until we get the password in here, okay? Okay, this one said remove the key from the ignition. Insert the key, to the EIS. So you can remove it from here. Put it there, press OK. Sometimes you have to do extra stuff like this in between password calculation. So now it's counting down for 30 seconds. Right after the countdown, it should go back to password calculation. I think we're gonna go ahead and insert it back here. There you go. And then make sure it can be turned on. That's good. With the lights on, press OK. Then remove it and put it in the IR keyhole. Press OK. And then we're gonna go back to waiting again. We're gonna be waiting one more time. Let's see. There you go, collecting data. All right, let's come back again. So this one, they're asking us to go back again to the EIS and press OK. That's the original key still. This is the second time around that I need to be synced back into the EIS for another 30 seconds. Hopefully after this, we'll be able to make another key fob. Got 10 seconds left. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then said make sure it can be able to turn on. All the things on. Press OK. Put in a XP400 Pro. Press OK. And after this, we're gonna come back again. Hopefully we get the password now. We've been close to 20 minutes. All right, we finally got the password. I'm gonna go ahead and just screenshot it just in case I won't remember it. Okay, press OK. And insert the ignition key to the EIS. This is the program key still. Put it there, press OK. And another countdown for another 30 seconds. And then that should be it. After that, we're gonna be using our unprogrammed key fob to create and program this one. Okay, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, password calculation complete. Press OK. Generating key file, but it's gonna ask us to put it to the hierarchy hole. Please insert the blank key to the hierarchy hole, which is here. Press OK. Detecting key. That should be good over there. All right, just be patient. Just be patient. You can see that this is blinking because it's communicating either that or see that one that's blinking. So that means it's communicating. Key addition complete. After pressing OK, check if the new key can be normally used. Okay. Insert the new key into the EIS. If the red indicator lamp on the key thus goes off, the key learning processing. So there's a little light goes in this side. We'll see if I can remove this. We'll see if I can look closer. If we insert it, you should see the light. See the red light? And they come off. It was right there. So that was done. So that's programmed. As you can see, it says take your key from ignition. Press OK. What we're gonna do, let's go and remove this one. We'll see if I can. This is the. Let's go start with regular key, the original one. Press the brake, so it starts the car. Let's see. Start again. There you go. Starts the car with no problem. That's the original key fob, and it does lock and unlock, no problem. And this is the one we just programmed, locks and unlock. Let's go ahead, and it starts the car with no problem. No lights. No. All right. So what we're gonna do? We go ahead, remove these keys outside. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna start. I'm gonna have the smart key, the original one. Let's put this one, the push button. So starts the car because this is the smart key. So let's go ahead and remove that, turn it off. Let's see if this will. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but this is not a smart key, so let's put it here. This is just gonna be a spare one. See? So key not detected because this is not a smart key, but it's fine. You can still start the car by removing this and by turning it. There you go. And when you see that one, let me see the key being initialized. All you gotta do, just leave the key here, use it for a little bit, and you should be fine. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. This is for 2014 Mercedes Benz GLK 350 with 4Matic transmission and programming a non-smart key fob still work on a smart key car. Alright guys, using the Auto IM508. I hope you like this video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.